Meet a village at the end of the world. Greenland is a country located in the North American continent. In Greenland, there's an icy village called Ittoqqortoormiit. There are beautiful houses with different colors. People who live there are called the Inuit, and they have a very special way of living. In Ittoqqortoormiit, there are 11 months of winter in a year. So they would rely on hunting animals for food, such as seals, oxen, and polar bears that live in the Arctic. But the future of this unique place is in danger, and people are worried about the impact of climate change on their way of life. The Arctic gets warmer faster than other places, causing the ice to melt. And the animals that they depend on to survive are disappearing. Moreover, tourist cruise ships are scaring the wildlife away. And it is becoming unsafe to eat animals' meat because of the pollution from faraway factories. Despite the challenges, the people of Ittoqqortoormiit try to make the most out of their short summer. They would play football on their only patch of green, made of astroturf, while sharing smiles and stories. There are also trampolines and swimming pools within the village, making it really fun. What do you think might happen if all the ice melts where the Inuit people live? What do you think we could do to help them and the environment?
Pico, do you know what it is like to live somewhere freezing cold? Great question! I've never flown anywhere cold. Would you like to learn more about Ittoqqortoormiit and experience winter? For sure! We should put on something warm before heading over! Great idea, Pico! To the Earth we go! Hi there! I've heard about your village, Ittoqqortoormiit. It sounds like an amazing place. Can you tell me more about it?
Hello! Ittoqqortoormiit is indeed a unique place. We are deep in Greenland, surrounded by icebergs.
Do you remember how many months of winter Ittoqqortoormiit has? Brilliant answer! They have 11 months of winter.
We have lived here for generations, relying on the ice and the sea for our survival.
What are the people who live in Ittoqqortoormiit called? That's right! They are called the Inuit. I heard that climate change is affecting your village. How is it changing things for you?
Well, you see, our ice-covered surroundings are melting because of climate change. This is because it is getting warmer here, which causes our ice to disappear. Without ice, it is affecting many of our animals, just like our seals, musk oxen, narwhals, and polar bears.
I saw a cruise ship earlier too. How do these ships affect your village?
These big cruise ships are bringing more and more tourists to our fjords. While we feel happy that people are interested in visiting our land, these enormous ships have scared away many wildlife animals. So it is getting harder to find the animals.
What are some animals you can find in the Arctic? That's correct! There are seals, oxen, and even polar bears. Is there anything I can do to help?
First, we can try to save energy by turning off lights and appliances when not in use.
What else can we do?
We can also save water by taking shorter showers, and making sure there are no leaky taps at home. You can share what you've learned about climate change and its impact on places like Ittoqqortoormiit with your friends, family, and teachers.
Could you find out more ways to help prevent climate change? How do you think you would feel if your home was slowly changing because of climate change and you had to adapt to new ways of living like the Inuits?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome adventures with Nino.